Hello, my name is Amandeep Kaur, and today me and my friend Mandeep Kaur are going to present our research proposal. So, first of all, I'm going to start with an introduction. So, firstly, we need to understand that what is the research about and what is its purpose. So, firstly, the purpose of this research is to understand and evaluate the need and use of cloud computing in healthcare. Next, we're gonna discuss what is today's scenario. In the healthcare industry, cloud computing is used in every sector, and its utilization is increasing day by day because it has lots of benefits and into the data management system. So we are doing this study so that we can evaluate the effectiveness of this technological practice in the healthcare sector. Next, we're going to discuss about aspects of cloud computing. As we can see, there are four aspects. First of all, speed efficiency. It saves our time because we can share the data very fastly with the help of cloud computing services. Data storage. It can store data with the help of cloud computing. We can store large number of data. And efficiency, because in business there are lots of data which needs to be stored, but they have to buy other softwares and hardwares for this, but they are like so expensive nowadays. So cloud computing provides a very cheap service. Security, also it secure the data which we share and we store in cloud computing. And the next one, summary of purpose and research questions. The research is aimed to find out the impact of cloud computing on patients' data management in healthcare. So we're gonna find out the impact of cloud computing in healthcare. Hypothesis is use of cloud computing for patients' data management in healthcare. And the next, we have the research questions. So first research question is, does cloud computing make the healthcare service process convenient by making the patient's data management process easier? And the next related question is, how cloud computing is helping healthcare practitioners to manage the data of patients? And the next, we're gonna discuss about literature review. So what we done is we choose some articles related to our topic, and we got some information which can help us in our research. So cloud computing comes with three models, that are public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid clouds. So these are the useful tools we can use. As in the healthcare sector, the importance of keeping the data of patients safe is of paramount level. The utilization of private clouds is the most significant approach to be used here. So, private cloud is very useful for this purpose, and it has the ability to offer practical solution in the new clinical information management system. So these are the information we get from the research studies. To be continued, we came to know that it offers virtualized computing storage, and it is being regarded as a potential solution to the data management related issues in the healthcare sector. So these are the literature review about our topic. And so next slides will be present by my friend Mandeep Kaur. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mandeep Kaur. Now I'm going to present the rest of slides. Firstly, I'm going to talk about methodologies which we are using in our research proposal. Firstly, we will adopt secondary data collection method in order to accomplish the research in successful manner. Secondly, we will use deductive research approach. Thirdly, we will use descriptive research design. And at last, we will use qualitative interviews. And by going through several pieces of literature, we will try our level best to get authentic data required for the research. And some literature pieces have already gone through, and these pieces of literature have been reviewed here. Next is data collection and measurements. First, data collection has been initiated with the secondary data collection method. Secondly, all the chosen existing research work has been analyzed. Finally, selected information from chosen article has been used for findings. Next is considerations of the research work. The consideration of research work include suitable management of rights standards, privacy, and confidentiality aspects, appropriate acknowledgement of the authors of the research articles used in the study through citation and bibliography. Next is conclusion. All the research article has clarified the impacts of cloud computing in healthcare and how cloud computing services are useful for managing the patient's data. This analysis of research work would be beneficial for us to develop the final research. These are the references. Thank you.